Hi, today we're going to learn Farkle. Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to Playing Games. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Farkle is a game you should know, and it's part of the Playing Games Essential Dice Game series. Farkle is a fun and simple combination-making dice game. The object is to be the first player with the highest score over 10,000 points. Like Yahtzee, in Farkle you'll want to make poker-style combinations like pairs, straights, and full houses to score points. And what the heck does Farkle mean? Well, in the context of this game, Farkle means go bust, or earn no points. Or some people play this game using other names like Wimp Out, Wipe Out, Hot Dice, Zilch, Zonk, 10,000, Six Dice, Rickroll. Nobody calls it that. But why is it called Farkle? But a leading theory is that it's a way to voice your frustration while getting a bad roll. Setup. All you'll need for Farkle are 6 dice and a score sheet. If you want an official Playing Games Farkle scorecard, just follow the link in the description for a printable PDF scorecard. To determine who goes first, players roll 2 dice, and the player with the highest roll starts. Gameplay rolls out like this. The first player rolls all 6 dice. If you have a perfect roll that scores you enough points to make you happy, great, score those points and hand the dice over. More than likely, players will want to increase their score. Set aside the dice you want to build into a scoring combination. Dice you can set aside are 1s, and 5s, or other combinations. If I set aside my 1s and 5s here, I have 100, 200, 250 points here, and I can re-roll these. But if I don't get a scoring combination here, a 1, a 5, or one of the other combinations, well, I've just Farkled, and I lose my score for that round. I get 0 points. This is where the elements of risk and greed come into play. If you choose to re-roll, you must add at least one of the freshly rolled dice to your set-aside dice, and that die or dice must be either a 1 or 5, or be a combination from the Farkle score sheet. You can set aside as many as you want, but you must set aside at least one die that increases your score. If a player rolls a non-scoring combination, such as a roll with no 1s or 5s, or can't add a scoring combination, they Farkle and lose all their points for that turn. Players can choose to end their turn before rolling at any point and keep their points. But once you Farkle, and you get nothing but a big fat Farkle in that hand. Do people just like this game because of the name? The game continues until one player reaches a predetermined point total, such as 10,000 points, and is declared the winner. Let's take a moment to talk about the dice values and scoring. 1s are the best single rolls as they're worth 100 points each. 5s are worth 50 points. And that's it for single dice rolls. Now for the combos. If you roll a 3 of a kind, it's worth 100 times the shown number on the dice. For example, if you have 3 2s, you earn 200 points. If you have 3 3s, that's 300 points. If you have 4 4s, 400 points. 5 5s, 500 points. 6 6, 600 points. Having 3 1s is different, however. If you have 3 1s, you have 300 points. The next combo is a 4 of a kind. This will earn you 1,000 points. And a 4 of a kind means you have 4 dice of the same number. The shown numbers do not matter here. It's just 1,000 points, period. 5 of a kind earns you a flat 2,000 points. And the rarest combination, 6 of a kind, is worth 3,000 points. There are also paired combinations. You can earn 1,500 points for either 3 pairs, a pair with 4 of a kind, a straight, which are all the numbers 1 through 6, is also worth 1,500 points. If you get 2 sets of 3 of a kind, you get 2,500 points. Note, dice from multiple rolls cannot be added together. For example, if you have 3 4s on your first roll, that's 400 points. If on your next roll you get a 4th 4, that does not get added to your 3 4s, making them a 4 of a kind. I understand that's a lot to remember, so I've created an official Playing Games scoring sheet for a printable PDF download and other fun stuff. One other important rule: to get on the scorecard for the very first time, you must have a running total of at least 500 points. After your first score of 500 points or more is recorded, you may stop rolling at any time and have the scorekeeper add that running total for that turn to your accumulated score. Once your points have been entered on the score pad, they're safe and you cannot lose them. If you cannot set aside any dice after a roll, that's a Farkle. You lose your total running points for that turn and play passes to the left. Not only can a Farkle occur on a reroll, but it could occur on your very first roll if you have no scoring points. If you're lucky enough to get a combination from all 6 dice, you can roll them all again and build your running total. And that's it. Farkle is a simple and fun game that anyone can enjoy. What I love about Farkle is all you need are these. And though it's mostly a game of luck, you can also push your luck and try for more valuable combinations. It's simple and you get to take some low-stake risks. So don't be an old Farkle, give it a try today and let me know what you think. Please comment, like, and subscribe to help this channel grow. Also, help support the hard work that goes into these videos by digitally donating. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.